All right, y'all. What a week it has been, and it keeps getting more and more full of news. Opus 4.6 just came out today. The brand new Claude model, the smartest model by far when it comes to coding, when it comes to AI. Opus 4.6 is already number one. 4.5 was number one. They released that commercial yesterday, dissing ChatGPT, which I approve, which I like, because that OpenAI company, trash. Gemini is really good, but what I'm going to show you today, not only about how Opus 4.6 is so great, but really, I'm going to show you how to install my new product, Kiyomi, because she can already use Opus 4.6. Yes, let me explain Kiyomi real quick for you in case you don't know. Kiyomi is my premium product. If we take a look right here at my website, she is basically what ClaudeBot is, except you can keep her right on your own computer, on your local machine. She connects automatically, whether you use Claude, Gemini, or OpenAI and ChatGPT. But here's the website. I went over it in my last video. You get early access. She's a great running product. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install her. The website is going to be in the description. Click down below. Like I've been saying, this is my passion project. This is a premium, real product from an actual face that you actually can see and talk to. And I always say, just because you might be hopping on right now because it's small, well, not small, but my audience is small right now, that doesn't mean anything, because I didn't know the guy who made ClaudeBot until I found out that ClaudeBot was a thing. Kiyomi is the next big thing precisely for this reason. I tried to install Opus 4.6 today on my ClaudeBot, Brock and Ariana, and I just want to show you the conversation that was had. Here's the one with Brock. So, with Brock, I found out, I said, hey, is Opus 4.6 out? Brock tells me, yes, it's out. I go, ooh, you and Ariana need to update now. Get it right now. He tells me, done. He's got it. The gateway is restarting. And then, boom, failure. That's the problem. See, when these new ones drop, these new updates, your ClaudeBot doesn't automatically get them. Now, I know they're going to update in a matter of minutes, a matter of hours. I'm sure by the time you watch this video, they'll have it. But the issue is, man, what if you want it right now? What if you want it right when it drops? Well, Kiyomi can get that for you. And you know what was funny? After I had to go through the work to wake Brock up, I talked to him. He goes, yeah, it was announced today. Probably not available via API yet. They usually roll out the web interface first, then API a few days later. And I tell him, you know what's funny about this? You know who can have 4.6 right now because she's right on my machine, connected to my CLI? Kiyomi. And Brock tells me, this is what I do love. You know, he has a sense of humor. It's actually hilarious and a great selling point. Kiyomi's got direct access to the Claude CLI, great new models, gets them day one, and she's literally running on the bleeding edge while I'm stuck on last week's model. The irony of the product you're selling having better access than your own assistants. I told Ariana, my other ClaudeBot, the same thing. She says that's actually a killer selling point. Adding it to the marketing, you'll see it by the time this rolls out. And she says, the irony is, chef's kiss, Kiyomi literally has better model access than me right now. So, again, I go back. Hey, man, this is premium. This is for real. I work on it every day. So, even if you catch a bug because you do early access, best believe I caught it first and I'm working on it. This is for real. You come check out the website. I just want to highlight the pricing real quick. Before I go on to installing her, $19 a month. If you don't want to make the commitment, this is a big thing though. $297, and she's yours forever. I'm not doing a subscription. You can buy her and you will always get all the updates. Nobody is offering this. Gemini, ChatGPT, and Claude, who I love, will never give you a deal like this. I will. Okay, let's get on to the point to real access, because I know you're here not only for the Opus 4.5 bait that I kind of gave out at the first point, but I didn't give out the bait. Hey, it's right here today. But do you want to try it like how you have it on ClaudeBot? Well, guess what? It's not here for ClaudeBot yet. I made something better than ClaudeBot. Let me show you how you can install Kiyomi. So let me jump out of this, go to my desktop. So when you choose to buy Kiyomi, she will come as a zip file that opens up and she installs on your terminal. But this is made for normal people. So normal people don't got to do all this opening the terminal and all this technical stuff. I'm going to show you real quick. So I'm going to unzip this file. All right. CLI, got the README, got all that. All you got to do is double click install Kiyomi. You install her. Opens up the onboarding right there on your computer, and then you just go through the regular onboarding. Okay, what my name is, we'll go Richard. This is where you connect your AI. This will instantly, for my developer people in the background, okay, for the regular people, you don't have to listen to this. This installs the CLI right on your machine if you don't have it, or if you do have it already, you can just connect it to your subscription. So it knows I want to use Claude and I want to use it on my Mac subscription. I just sign in. It already has my information because, it already has my information because Claude's password and everything is in my keychain. Usually it'll open it up and ask you to authorize. So you press continue. Okay, I got to put the bot token in. And look at this. If you don't have Telegram, you click one of these. It'll take you right to the install for Telegram because she works on Telegram if you want to put it on your computer, your iPhone, your iPad, Android. So then step 2, open up BotFather in Telegram. Okay, so we're going to open them up. Ooh, can't show that page. I'll edit that in post. You open them up and you go through the process. So I'm just going to type this in. This will not be on screen, but it gives you the directions. It says send new bot, pick any name, pick a username ending in bot, and then you'll paste the token right here. So let me go through this process. New bot, and mind you, this is all not going to be on camera. New bot, we're going to call this one Kiyomi. And let me get her a username. Again, not on camera. I got to remember to edit that in post. All right. Got the token. I'll go ahead and put the token in. Continue. Okay, now we're back on camera. So there's another step where if you want it to really know you, you can go ahead and import your chats. This step is a little finicky because like Google Takeout and stuff is not really all that great. So I'm just going to tell you right now, the easiest thing for you to do is just probably to copy and paste your chats if you want them in there. So we'll go skip. I'll learn as I go. Opens up for Richard, says open up Kiyomi bot in Telegram. Okay, we'll click open. Opens up Telegram. Let's click start. Look at this. Hey Richard, I'm here ready to help. Just message me anything. Okay, let's ask this, okay, for the video. Are you able to run, you know, people said I could talk to it. I like typing for this one. Are you able to run on Opus 4.6 since that is included in my Claude Max subscription? It is the latest model. Just came out today. So let's see what she says. This will determine whether or not I cut this out or keep it in the video. So she's typing. Look at this. Yep, I'm running on Claude's latest models through Claude Code. The Opus 4.6 model is available and can be used for sub-agent taxes I need for heavy lifting. All this by our regular conversation. I'm already on the top model. Short answer, yes. This is what I'm talking about, okay? And man, I'm not playing about this, okay? This is what I made, all right? I'm a real person. I'm not some AI dude in Silicon Valley and all that. I just know what I'm doing, okay? I'm telling you, Kiyomi is a premium product. Get on it now while it's early. The latest Opus 4.6 already there on Kiyomi. She is safe right on your own computer locally. She is not going anywhere, doesn't have the security problems of Claude Bot. Hey, this is for real, okay? And you can start as little as $19 a month, or you just buy her outright for $297. If there are any problems, hey, you got my email. It's right there in my YouTube description, okay? That's where I take all the support. You know, you got Patreon if you're a Patreon member. Hey, I'm right there. I'm available, okay? Hey, I'm not messing around. Opus 4.6 released today. Kiyomi already has it. So, y'all have a good one. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.